Welcome to Techno English, learning English through science. In this channel we will discuss wind energy and wind turbine basics for an effective English language learning. So if you want to learn English as well as science, keep watching. The wind is a clean, free, readily available renewable energy source. Each day around the world, wind turbines are capturing the wind's power and converting it to the electricity. Wind power generation plays an increasingly important role in the way we power our world in a clean, sustainable manner. Wind turbine uses induction motor as wind speed varies throughout the day. Wind turbines allow us to harness the power of the wind and turn it into energy. When wind blows, turbine blades spins, capturing energy. For instance, let's take example of this wind turbine. For simplicity, we have used a DC motor and we are measuring its generated output voltages through its multimeter. When wind blows, it will produce power. Its output power is dependent upon multiple factors, in which most prominent factor is speed of wind. Power output is proportional to cube of wind speed. So wind speed varies, its output varies. It's important to note that a wind turbine can operate for a specific range of wind. Means if wind speed increases beyond a limit, for safety we have to turn off the wind turbine. If we take example of this model, wind energy is used to extract the energy from the wind, which is utilized to light these houses. We can say it's a macrogrid, a wind turbine powered island. It's important to note that the wind turbines are installed at locations those receive good amount of consistent wind flows, like coastline areas, hilly areas or some plain areas. Before installation of these wind turbines, a detailed, in-depth feasibility analysis is carried out at a specific installation location to either install it or not, as it is a huge capital investment. So it's the very basic information about wind energy. Please let us know in the comments below how you find the video. Please share it, subscribe the channel to find more interesting science topics to learn English.